To send money from Dubai to Indonesia, follow these steps. First, choose a money transfer service that operates in both the United Arab Emirates and Indonesia, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or online services like TransferWise or Z Money Transfer. Next, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's full name, address, and bank account details if you are transferring directly to their bank account. You will also need your own identification and proof of address. Then, visit the website or branch of your chosen money transfer service and create an account if you do not already have one. Log into your account and select the Send Money option, choosing the United Arab Emirates as the sending country and Indonesia as the receiving country. Enter the amount you wish to send in AED and the recipient's details. The service will display the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. After confirming the transaction, you will be given a reference number. Share this number with the recipient so they can track the transfer. The recipient can receive the money in their bank account, at a cash pickup location, or through a mobile wallet, depending on the service you choose. To get the best exchange rate and lowest fees, compare the rates and fees of different money transfer services before making a transfer. Additionally, be aware of any daily transfer limits and ensure you comply with the regulations of both the United Arab Emirates and Indonesia. Finally, keep a record of the transaction, including the reference number and the amount sent, in case you need to track the transfer or resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps, you can securely and efficiently send money from Dubai to Indonesia.